Have you ever wondered how the top investors seem to predict stock prices with uncanny accuracy? In this video, we're going to reveal the secrets behind their success and show you how to read stock charts like a pro, so you can make smarter investment decisions in 2024. Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to stock charts in 2024. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of technical analysis and equip you with the essential skills needed to interpret stock charts like a pro. Navigating the stock market can be a daunting task, especially for those new to investing. However, understanding how to read and analyze stock charts is a critical step towards making informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, mastering the basics of stock charts will empower you to become a more successful and confident trader. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey through the world of stock charts in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to take your investing game to the next level. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental components of a stock chart. A stock chart is a graphical representation of a stock's price movement over time. It's a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights into the behavior of a particular stock or the broader market. The most common type of stock chart is the candlestick chart, which displays the opening, closing, high, and low prices for a specific period, such as a day, week, or month. These candlesticks, with their distinct shapes and colors, convey crucial information about the stock's performance during that time frame. When analyzing a stock chart, you'll typically see a vertical axis representing the price of the stock and a horizontal axis representing the time frame. The candlesticks themselves are the primary focus, as they offer a wealth of information about the stock's trading activity. The body of the candlestick represents the difference between the opening and closing prices, while the wicks, or shadows, above and below the body indicates the stock's high and low prices for that period. The color of the candlestick, often red or green, helps to quickly identify whether the stock closed higher or lower than the opening price. Now that we've covered the basic components of a stock chart, let's dive into the fundamental technical analysis concepts that can help you make sense of the data. One of the most important aspects of technical analysis is understanding support and resistance levels. These are price points where the stock's upward or downward momentum is likely to be interrupted or reversed. Support levels are areas where the stock's price tends to find buying pressure and bounce back up, while resistance levels are areas where the stock's price faces selling pressure and struggles to break through. Identifying these support and resistance levels can be a powerful tool in your investing arsenal. By anticipating where a stock's price might find support or encounter resistance, you can make more informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your positions. Another crucial concept in technical analysis is the use of chart patterns. These are recurring visual formations that can provide insights into the stock's future price movement. Some common chart patterns include the head and shoulders, the double top and bottom, and the triangle patterns, among others. By recognizing these patterns and understanding their implications, you can better assess the potential direction and strength of a stock's price trend. For example, a head and shoulders pattern might suggest an impending bearish reversal, while a double bottom pattern could signal a potential bullish reversal. In addition to chart patterns, technical analysts often use various indicators and oscillators to help them make more informed trading decisions. These tools can provide additional insights into the stock's momentum, volatility, and relative strength compared to the broader market or its peers. Popular indicators include the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and the Stochastic Oscillator, to name a few. Each of these indicators can offer unique perspectives on the stock's behavior and help you identify potential buy or sell signals. As you delve deeper into the world of stock charts, you'll also encounter the concept of trend lines. These are diagonal lines that connect a series of higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. Identifying and drawing trend lines can help you determine the overall direction of a stock's price movement and spot potential breakouts or reversals. It's important to note that technical analysis is not an exact science, and different investors may interpret the same chart differently. However, by developing a solid understanding of these fundamental concepts, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of the stock market and make more informed investment decisions. Remember, the stock market is a dynamic and constantly evolving environment, and staying up to date with the latest trends and developments is crucial. As you continue your investing journey in 2024, make sure to regularly review and analyze stock charts to identify emerging opportunities and mitigate potential risks. Now, let's put these stock chart basics into practice. Imagine you're considering investing in a particular stock. By analyzing the stock's chart, you can start to identify key support and resistance levels, recognize any relevant chart patterns, and examine the behavior of various technical indicators. This holistic approach to stock chart analysis can provide you with a deeper understanding of the stock's price history, current market sentiment, and potential future direction. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, stock chart analysis is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Different investors may have their own unique strategies and preferences when it comes to interpreting and acting on the information presented in stock charts. The key is to find the approach that works best for you and to constantly refine your skills through practice and ongoing learning. As we wrap up this comprehensive introduction to stock charts, it's important to emphasize that the world of investing is constantly evolving. In 2024, you can expect to see new advancements, technologies, and market trends that may impact the way you analyze and interpret stock charts. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. By continuously expanding your knowledge and honing your stock chart analysis skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more successful and confident investor in the years to come. In conclusion, this beginner's guide to stock charts has provided you with the foundational knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of the stock market in 2024. From understanding the basic components of a stock chart to mastering the fundamentals of technical analysis, you're now equipped with the tools and insights to make more informed investment decisions. Remember, stock chart analysis is not a one-time exercise, but rather an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and refining your skills. As you continue your investing journey, stay vigilant, stay curious, and stay committed to your personal growth as an investor. We hope that this video has been a valuable resource in your quest to become a more successful and confident investor. By leveraging the power of stock charts, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and thriving in the ever-evolving world of investing. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of stock charts. We wish you the best of luck in your future investing endeavors, and we look forward to seeing you conquer the stock market with confidence and skill in 2024 and beyond. Happy investing!